It's the big day, the day we announce our product launch. Let's start by creating a press release. We'll use our AI app to do that. The app will format the release, complete with contact information, a quote from our CEO, key features, and everything else you'd expect in a press release. Perfect. But we can't forget about social media. So let's ask our AI app to create a social media post for us. Here it is, complete with emojis and hashtags. It's important to review the post to make sure it reflects our brand voice before posting. Now, let's add an image to our post. We'll ask our AI app to generate one for us. Great, there's our image. We can download it to our device. Next, we copy our text, create our post, and paste in the text. We might need to adjust the formatting a bit, which is always a bit of a challenge when pasting text from an AI app. Finally, we add our image and we're ready to post. And there you have it. Our product is now out there in the world.